Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the function in C. Okay. So what is the function? So basically the function is the block of code or piece of code to perform a specific task. Okay. So that is the known as the function in C. Okay. See, let's see example as a general. Okay. So if you want to do some function or party, we have to meet together. Right? Suppose there are 4 or 5 friends, they will meet and they will do party or whatever. Okay. So why they are meeting here? They are meeting because they want to do party. Because single I cannot do, single he cannot do, right? We cannot do, right? It's correct, right? So we will do some function or some party or anything. Okay, whatever. So we have to meet together, right? Okay. Then we will meet and we will do some specific task or a specific party. So that's what the function. So in function similar because we have to piece of code or a statement. Okay. So a block of code and it will perform a specific task, any task, whether it is addition, subtraction, okay, any task he will do. Okay, we will also do a main function, right? Many things we are doing, party, playing cricket, many things we are doing. Okay, so these are the what he will do a specific task. That is the main purpose of function. Okay, and we will see in function what is the declaration, in function what is the definition, and main function. Okay, so all things we will see in this video only. Okay, I hope you are related. What is the function in C means, like when the function the code of the block of code or the piece of code. So function is a piece of code or block of code or a statement to perform a specific task. So that is the known as the function in C. Okay, so let's start with the some example. Okay, see, first of all we see declaration. Okay, so and one more things, like in function we have to whether it is the with the parameters or without parameters, with uh, with arguments. Arguments is known as a parameter. Okay, parameter with return type. Okay, or without return type. Okay, so anything it is. Okay, so here in function declaration what I done, I taken one function. Okay, add is the one type of function name, and here data type is an integer. Okay, then I am taking two arguments of, we can say, parameters, both are the same. Okay, so arguments as I taken int a and int b. Okay, so this is the declaration of a function. Okay, now see, now coming to the function. In what we are doing in function definition means we have to create some function, like already I created add as a function name with arguments or parameters. Okay, open the curly bracket. Okay, and what is the logic? We have to write it function definition only. Okay, and we will call this function in main function. Okay, in main. Okay, we will call this function. We will see like how it will work. Okay, so first I created function definition. Okay, that function name is add. Okay, function you can, it's up to you. Anything you can give a function name. Okay, you can give your own name also. So I am given as a function name is the add. Okay, and with arguments with integer a and integer b. Okay, then we are now after we have to do return type. Okay, I am written parameter arguments with return type I am writing. Okay, so parameters I am given. Okay, int a and int b, and return a plus b. Okay, otherwise you can also do take any another variable c. Okay, where you can store a plus b. Here what we are doing? We are doing operation, like plus operation we are doing. Okay, add we are doing. Okay, so and here now you can return C. Return C. Close the bracket. Like that you can also do. Otherwise you can directly return A plus B or take a variable. Okay, take a variable and take a variable as C, and in that you can do A plus B as a you can store. Okay, and return in C. Like that you can also do, or directly you can return A plus B. You can also do. Okay. So this is what the function definition. What we have done, we have created one function with the arguments or parameters. Okay, integer A, integer B, and here storing in C A plus B, and after that we are doing return type, returning C. Okay, so this is the function definition. And okay, now this function we will call in main function. Okay, always the function which you are created you have to call in the main function. This is the prototype or syntax, you can say that. Okay, you must have to call in the main function which function you are created. Okay, so now we will call this function with arguments. Okay, so add, I'm calling here with arguments. Okay, you can give same arguments or you can change also. Okay, so I will create some different int x equal to, and I'm assigning some value x equal to 20. Okay, and y equal to take 10. Okay, so here I'm taken two variables x and y. Okay, where we are assigning value x equal to 20, y equal to 10. Is it clear? Okay, so now we are calling that that variable as an argument in the main function. Okay, you can directly a and a b also you can write here instead of x a, instead of y you can write b also. You can do like this also, you can do. Okay, so this function we are called here. Okay, but we have to store in somewhere, right, in some variable. Okay, so for that I am creating one variable. Okay, I am storing in VL. Okay, variable. Okay, with we have to declare integer, right, variable, right. So I am writing here only. You can declare here also. Okay, no issue. Okay, I am here declaring variable. Okay, and storing function. Now what we have to do? Now we have to print f percentage t. Okay, comma, then what we are storing here, we have to, this is what the function. Okay, then what it will print? Okay, first of all it will check the declaration. What is the declaration? So declaration is the add integer a, integer b. Okay, then after declaration the controller or compiler will check the function definition. Is it function definition? Yeah, function definition is there with arguments a and b. Then here we'll do the operation a plus b. Okay, fine, no issue. It's a storing C and returning C. Okay, then this function which we are created in function definition, it will be called in the main function. Okay, in main function here. Okay, so here it will do add operation x and y. What is the x? 20. Okay, what is the y? 10. Okay, it will do operation. The result should be 30. Okay, we are going to store in the variable. Okay, so this is what the function. Okay, and one more thing, you can take another in one main function you can create number of function. Suppose I am created here add function, right? Okay, you can create another function also. Suppose int multiplication. Okay, give any another value. Okay, int a, int b, you can give also. Okay, return a into b. Okay, So direct here we are assigning, we are created some variable where we are storing, then returning C. Directly we are returning here, okay, A into B, okay. Then you call, okay, and we have to also do declaration, okay. So int with that function with arguments int A and int B, okay. Then call this function in main, okay. In main we are writing only, okay. I'm writing here because there is no space, okay. Again call multiplier with arguments, okay, or parameters. You can create same also you can give, or different also you can do. It's not matter, okay. Keep same, okay, and assign here value 22, anything give 5, okay. So I take another variable 2. We are going as storing and give that x and y, okay. Correct. So here what we'll do, again same similar, it will check the definition, okay. Declaration will check the definition, then this function will call in the main and do the operation x and y, x equal to 5 and y equal to also 5, 5 into 5 25. So the result is 25, the output will 25. So this is the part of the function. Three things we have to keep in mind or remember, okay. First of all, declaration. In declaration, what we have to do? Wait, I will explain once again. First of all, in function, first it will check the declaration, which we are .h, okay, library file, okay. Then that function it will go in declaration, definition. After declaration, controller B or compiler B go to definition, okay. Definition. Then that function will call it main function, okay. So this is the process or the way the function will call, okay. In declaration we have to declare function which we are created in function definition, okay. In suppose add, okay. This is the function where we have to declare in declaration, okay. In definition, we have to write the logic, what we are doing, as here we are doing, right? Suppose int add with arguments we are taken int b and a, okay. So here doing that, return type we are doing, right? What we are doing, a plus b. So here logic we are writing, do additional and give the result. This function we have to call it in main, in add, okay, with the arguments a and b, then print, right? Print, okay. Store in some variable, okay. Take anything, okay. So this is what the function, okay. So we have to and we can call multiple function in the main function, okay. You can also write another function, okay. Variable 2 multiplication and b, okay, and print, okay. So number of function you can call it main in main function, okay. So this is the function in C. I hope you got something, okay. So thank you for watching this video.